Welcome back to Crypto Rosetta, ladies and gentlemen. Bitcoin continuing to drop and the altcoins. Let's get into it.
Hi everybody, how are you all doing? I hope you're all well. We are in beautiful Antwerp doing some deals. Met some clients, international clients flew into Antwerp to do some big deals, and guess how we paid? With Bitcoin!
Now, if you're brand new to the channel, as ever, go ahead and smash that subscribe. We really do appreciate it. Come and join us. And also, if you enjoy the content, go ahead and smash that like as always. Now, let's get into the price action, okay? Because it's been another kind of interesting day. Because we have been short, as you know from our previous video, we were short in a couple of positions, and those coins are continuing to pull back beautifully. First one I want to get into, before we get into the Bitcoin price, I want to just bring up to date rather everyone on that phantom trade.
Yeah, nice. That was an excellent call by Joey the Bear.
Well, it was, but we had to have a slightly unlucky thing with that one at the moment. So we had our take profit currently set at 41 cents, and that may still play out. However, the BYBIT low, if you want to trade with us, by the way, come use our BYBIT affiliate links in the description below and come into our trading tier. But the price on BYBIT, the low has just currently come in at 41.05. So really unfortunate. So still confident that take profit may come in play. Already locked in 30% of gains though, and yeah, you know, stop loss in the no loss. So it's a win-win trade anyway, folks. But I would like to see that 41 take profit be hit.
And that's why I keep saying you take profit. I took profit at 42 cents. So listen.
Now, Bitcoin at time of recording, we've seen it pull back to around about the 21,600 region. You know, stocks have also opened quite interesting today. The Nasdaq futures was, you know, slightly green when we first looked early this morning, right? And then we've seen it look really chop, and currently time recording is about 0.6% down, I do believe. So plenty of volatility out there. You know, still markets a bit shaky into CPI tomorrow. Yeah,
can be an interesting day tomorrow. I still think there's going to be a fifth way to play out of BTC. Just concerned about this Binance situation with Paxos. Binance has been dumping, I think it was at 280 something.
Well, that's what we want to get onto. There's the Paxos because, you know, also big news that's, you know, potentially shaking the crypto market currently. Definitely adding to the fear is we've seen BUSD, we've seen it depeg this morning. Yeah,
interesting. We've been watching it, quite concerned because we know a few of you, our community members, do actually hold they are in BUSD, so we're a little bit concerned about that, and we're telling them to keep an eye on the charts.
What I do want to say though is to the folks, you know, if you are sat on a lot of BUSD, and I know this, you know, this is quite easy to say now, but personally, again, I can't give you financial advice. There are, you know, absolutely no guarantees, you know, what can happen in this market. I always say, you know, if you're in stable coins, you know, feel free to diversify. Likewise, you know, we always say, you know, not your crease, not your crypto. You know, don't have too much on the exchanges, but if you have to have some on the exchanges, you know, make sure you're diversified across the exchanges. But I will say is, if I was personally sat in a lot of BUSD, and I'm going to get your opinion in a moment, IK, there's the coppers going past.
Did you buy the dip? Which dip did you buy?
If you have, or rather sat on a lot of BUSD, what I will say is I personally wouldn't be panicking. Are you panicking? I'm not panicking. You have to be cautious. You just have to be mindful what's actually happening out there. Pay attention to the news. In our Discord, it's free by the way, there's a new channel in there, all the latest news tweets all the time coming in. Can be a bit noisy, we've been told, but it gives you real-time news and, you know, live updates. So keep an eye on the news channel, stay on top of things. God forbid it does go, you know, belly up. You need to be able to make moves and have a plan. If things, you know, do start to go a bit messy. What would you do? What are you going to do? You know, have a plan. But what I will say is, seen with the dump on BNB, and it is being caused by this kind of Paxos and BUSD fear. So it's all a bit of contagion. LinkedIn, you know, I've been bearish on BNB, folks. You know, I've been bearish, right? I've been holding that short on BNB from $336 for what feels like quite a long time now. Now I could have completely took profits at 220. I've already locked in some gains at 240. Rode it back up to 300, but it's back on its way down now. And I do think there's a good chance I'm going to see a lower low on BNB. You know, below initially got to take out that $220 low, and then that $180 low, all the way back from summer last year. I do think it's going to go.
I think it's going to happen, and I will be buying. When there's a lot of Fed out there, that's when I'm going to be buying.
Now, you know, to keep everyone on the channel up to date with, you know, the technical analysis, we will have Savage. I do believe he is putting out a BNB Elliott-wave video out, you know, giving his, you know, opinions on where he thinks this market's going with the price action. So watch out for that.
And indeed, we've also been, you know, you guys have been requesting TA for gold. So Savage will be doing his TA probably tomorrow on that one, so keep an eye out for that video as well. A lot of you asking about gold, so we'll get you as much information as possible, and best of luck. And remember, if you need gold, you're looking at the gold guy.
We've seen plenty of gold moving around that today.
So, you know, if you guys want some gold bullion, be it coins, bars, whatever it is, yeah, American Eagle coins, gold, you know, Canadian maples, whatever it is, whatever coin you want, Krugerrands, whatever it is, we can supply them with you and we take crypto.
Now for channel members, you know, thank you for, you know, who've already, you know, joined the pre-sale for the channel membership NFT, and just want to update our current members that, you know, we are still making those changes to the Patreon Discord as you speak. You know, as soon as this video stops, we are literally back on it and, you know, putting the last few things together. Like I said, really busy day running around Antwerp, but we are on it. Thank you for your patience with that.
And guys, just a quick one, thanks a lot for purchasing the NFTs. Really appreciate the support. You guys are brilliant. It's just been amazing. Thank you so much.
100%.
Massive thank you.
Now also, we've got CPI tomorrow. I think the price action, it could either go a little bit further down, but there is going to be a bounce. Now, I do think, obviously, we're talking about going to these lower lows. If we do break down and we don't get that fifth wave up on Bitcoin, it's still not going to go down in a straight line. That's a really important thing to get across to the folks.
Yeah, 100%. So take your time. You know, come in if you need TA. Just come in and ask for TA. We'll, you know, help you out and do what we can for you, right?
Yeah. Again, not financial advice, but if you are trading out there, just what I would be doing. I know some people may think, oh, now they've missed this potential to short and they've seen all these red candles. Don't jump in a short now. Personally, I always say if you're not in position, you just have to wait. There's always more opportunities coming. You know, we may potentially be looking at, you know, some low time frame longs coming up very soon. I think that, you know, there will be a bounce, but then I do think, you know, there's more chance to, you know, get in heavier short later. So we're gonna have to see how that one plays out.
Most definitely.
Right, we just wanted to keep this a short one, short update for the channel, especially for the members out here in Antwerp. But, you know, if you, like I said, if you're brand new on the channel, go ahead and subscribe and you'll never miss a show. And, you know, if you're brand new, also check out the previous videos, check out Savage's TA. I'm sure you'll enjoy it, and I'm sure there's a coin for you out there.
Take care, everyone. Thanks for your time.
See you again.